Motorcycles for Beginners, the ultimate guide. Kawasaki Z400. The Kawasaki Z400 is a standout choice for beginner riders seeking a sporty, lightweight, and easy-to-handle motorcycle. As part of Kawasaki's popular Z series, the Z400 combines aggressive streetfighter styling with approachable performance, making it an excellent entry point for those new to motorcycling. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding backroads, the Z400 offers an exhilarating yet manageable ride. Engine and performance. The heart of the Kawasaki Z400 is a 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that produces 47 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque. This lively engine delivers smooth, linear power, making it perfect for beginners who want a balance of excitement and control. The fuel-injected motor is quick to respond, offering plenty of acceleration for city traffic and highway cruising without feeling overwhelming. Weighing just 167 kilograms, 368 pounds, the Z400 is incredibly lightweight, which enhances its nimbleness and ease of maneuverability. This makes it particularly well-suited for new riders who are still developing their handling skills. The 6-speed transmission shifts effortlessly, and the assist-and slipper clutch minimizes lever effort, ensuring smooth downshifts and reducing the chance of wheel lockup during aggressive braking or sudden deceleration. Comfort and ergonomics. The Kawasaki Z400 features an upright riding position, which is more comfortable and less intimidating for beginners compared to the aggressive stance of full-fledged sport bikes. Its wide handlebars and slightly forward foot peg placement provide a natural and relaxed posture, making it ideal for both short commutes and longer rides. The bike's 785mm, 30.9-inch seat height is accessible to a wide range of riders, offering a secure footing at stops. The ergonomically designed seat provides good support, while the suspension system, featuring a telescopic front fork and rear monoshock, absorbs road imperfections effectively for a smooth ride. Features and technology. Kawasaki has equipped the Z400 with several modern features to enhance its usability and appeal to new riders. LED lighting. The Z400 features a sharp LED headlight and taillight for improved visibility and a modern look. Digital instrument cluster. The bike's clear and easy-to-read LCD display provides essential information, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. ABS brakes. The anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, come standard, ensuring controlled and safe braking in all conditions. The verdict. The Kawasaki Z400 is an exceptional choice for beginner riders who want a motorcycle that blends sporty performance with practicality. Its lightweight frame, approachable power delivery, and modern features make it a confidence-inspiring bike for new motorcyclists. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or simply enjoying your first rides, the Z400 offers a thrilling yet beginner-friendly experience that sets the stage for a lifelong passion for riding.